Hi everyone, so if you watched my video before this, my 2013 Tesla Model S was totaled yesterday by a Turo renter. I am looking to pick up another, preferably Model S, possibly Model 3, even a Model X, as soon as possible. So I'm definitely looking around. But if you have a Tesla or you know of someone that has a Tesla that they're looking to get rid of it, I'm looking for something that is between probably 2013 and 2017, that's been well maintained and is in good condition. I'm open to possibly partnering up with someone, taking over payments. I'm really open to any opportunity out there, so I thought I'd put this message out. If you know anyone or if you have one, let me know, drop me a comment and we will for sure get in touch. All right, and if you're curious as to what happened with my Tesla, be sure to watch the video before this one. Thanks guys, talk to you soon, bye.